Blvd Upholstery presents Land Rover 110 full restoration. This car looks not bad but needs some interior and exterior restoration. Internal part of a car needs restoration too, including steering wheel reupholstery, audio system, and headliner replacement. Step 1. Headliner replacement. So we need to remove the existing headliner and change it to the new one. The new headliner will be installed after the car's painting. Step 2. Car's painting. The color of the car was changed from white to black. Incredible job! Step 3. Interior restoration. After having the audio system replaced and interior restored, internal part of the car looks very nice. Restoration has totally given a new life for this car. Done. So let's look at the results. Very nice. So the driver will be satisfied.